Good evening, lovely viewers. Welcome in English with Omer. Viewers, you observe many products and services around you and you call them with a specific name in English. Have you ever observed what are their names in British English or in American English? They have different names in British or in American English. Stay with me for 4 to 5 minutes and we can learn about some products. In this image, you are watching a product. In British English, this is called football. In American English, it is known as soccer. A fact about this game is this is the most famous outdoor game in the world. In this image, you can observe people are arranged in a pattern. In British English, this pattern is called queue, and in American English, it is known as line. This arrangement of people is made just to make their work easy, and this pattern can also be of some vehicles as well. In this image, you can watch a vehicle. In British English, this vehicle is called lorry, but in American English, you can call it truck. In this image, you are observing a season. In British English, this season is called autumn, and in American English, this is called fall. Normally, this season comes after summer and before winter. In this image, you are watching a decent female. She is cleaning her carpet with an electric device. What does this device call? In British English, this device is called hoover, and in American English, it is known as vacuum. Here, I can see a water tap. In British English, this is called tap, and in American English, faucet. I personally believe faucet is not a well-known name throughout the world, and the tap is very common word. In this image, this product is called in British English torch, and in American English it is known as flashlight. Come to the next image. Here you can watch a digit, a written digit. What is this? Normally we have to receive lot of posts, parcel or any type of letter from our postal services. To make this work easy for us, we are mentioned with some postcodes or zip code. So this is a postcode or zip code. In British English, it is known as this digit or this assigned number is known as postcode, but in American English, it is called zip code. Zip code. I personally believe in my own country I have to write zip code instead of postcode. So we are familiar with this word zip code whenever we have to buy any product online. Viewers, here you have to observe one very crucial point. Whenever you are watching these words, you have to see either you are familiar with British English words or with American English words. Pass your comments. Either you are thinking positive about this vlog or negative. I will appreciate your comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon.